Stretching thousands of miles, these mountains of plastic and industrial waste are a stark reminder of our impact on the planet.
Swirling beneath the neon glow, these waters carry the silent burden of billions of microplastic particles, an ultra-realistic contamination.
The toxicity levels are critical. We have to issue an immediate warning.
At night, the autonomous surveillance drones scan the polluted Pacific, their laser grids cutting through fog. The probe descends deeper into the abyss, revealing the extent of the plastic pollution that has reached even the deepest trenches. The Aegean Sea drone telemetry is stable.
Confirmed. The dispersal rate is optimal. We're ready for Phase 2.
It's critical. We are hitting catastrophic levels in the coastal regions.
The Helios buoys pulse rhythmically, drawing samples from the polluted waters, analyzing contamination levels in real time.
As you can see, the currents are drawing the particulates directly into the vortex. The concentration is staggering.
As the AI probe descends deeper, its lasers pierce the plastic clouds, scanning for concentrated waste deposits in the abyssal zone.
Inspired by the deep sea's most resilient creatures, these bioluminescent drones navigate waters previously thought unreachable.
The massive robotic fleet initiates the harvest. Using an energy-infused mesh, the vessels begin the monumental task of clearing the ocean's surface.
The extraction tubes utilize rhythmic blue energy pulses to create a powerful vacuum, pulling contaminated slurry and microplastics from the ghost net, designed to kill, is no match for the precision of the rescue drone. Slowly, the ancient mariner is freed. The AI scanner instantly identifies the chemical signature. Decades in the ocean have rendered the polyethylene brittle, releasing harmful UV stabilizers into the water column. Utilizing advanced magnetic levitation, the facility separates the plastics by color and density before they are sent for recycling.
As the sun rises, so too does the hope for a cleaner tomorrow, thanks to the tireless work of the autonomous fleet.
These advanced nanofiltration membranes utilize a glowing honeycomb structure to trap microscopic contaminants as the molten polymer flows through at high pressure. In this cinematic view, the purified liquid polymer undergoes a rapid phase transition, solidifying into crystal clear pellets. Witness the mesmerizing flow of newly formed polymer pellets, a symbolic rebirth captured in stunning detail. In advanced material engineering, precision is key. These systems ensure the integrity of the polymer pellets. Decades of research culminate here. A perfectly restored polymer stream, signaling a new era for industry. Molecular reconstruction is the key to the future. Through advanced catalytic reactions and precise nanofiltration, we are unlocking the potential of synchronized chemistry. The advanced nanofiber surface utilizes intricate microtextures for unparalleled moisture control and extreme durability.
The vibrant colors you see are the result of a revolutionary eco-dyeing process, minimizing waste and maximizing beauty.
Automatic weaving systems are transforming high-performance fibers into futuristic smart fabric with dynamic 3D textures. Subjected to intense heat, cryogenic freezing, and extreme mechanical tension, the fibers demonstrate remarkable structural integrity.
Using advanced AI, we can simulate and optimize molecular structures in real time.
This facility achieves absolute zero waste production through massive air filtration systems, capturing every microscopic fiber. The dawn of a new industrial age. Across the globe, autonomous networks transport the lifeblood of our future.
These stunning iridescent garments are woven entirely from reclaimed ocean plastic, showcasing the future of sustainable luxury.
Rotating the model shows the airflow simulation clearly now. The tensile strength of the recycled fiber is remarkable.
This meets all the sustainability targets.
Gliding through the fjords, this high-speed marvel features interiors crafted entirely from advanced, recycled ocean plastics. This garment helped replant the rainforest, restoring vital habitats and supporting local communities.
This is the future we built, a world connected by clean energy and shared purpose.
The California coastline awakens to a new day. For the first time in decades, the waters are clear.
This is the Pacific as it was meant to be, a vibrant ecosystem reborn, free from the haze of pollution.
This vibrant underwater paradise is teeming with life, a testament to the health of this delicate ecosystem. The green sea turtle glides effortlessly through the clear currents, a symbol of a thriving, restored ecosystem. The return of the bluefin tuna signals a monumental environmental triumph for the California coast.
Here in the crystal clear waters, the gentle currents nurture a thriving ecosystem of juvenile clownfish and countless tiny organisms.
A restored coastal paradise where sustainable design meets the serene beauty of the turquoise waves.
Here in the crystal clear waters, the pod welcomes the approach of the solar research vessel, a true harmony of technology and nature.
As the sun sets on a restored ocean, we find not just beauty, but through visionary green architecture and clean energy, we have finally found our balance with the natural world. As the new day begins, the planet breathes again. Our silent guardians watch over the reef. The restoration was a success. The reef is alive again, teeming with life and glowing brightly under the